Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I went to the Goodwill outlet and I wanted to do a haul for you guys and show you everything that I got. So I spent about $28. I got 21 pounds, I think. So not a lot. I was there for about 2.5 hours and it was pretty crappy, not gonna lie. The rotations were just, they were just crap. But I stuck it out for 2.5 hours and I managed to get 21 pounds. I did sort some of this stuff, so I'm going to show you like a couple things with stains, which I know I never do, but I just wanted to show you guys that like not everything that you find at the outlet is in perfect condition, and it's okay because I'll just do stain treatments anyways. So the first thing is this Old Navy t-shirt, which I pick up Old Navy if it's a size like extra large that's in like a cute style graphic t-shirts. They do pretty well on Poshmark, which they sell in bundles. So this is Old Navy size extra large and it says mascara and coffee, and I just felt like I could totally relate to that. And it does have like this little mark. I don't know if you guys can see right there. Right there. Oh, didn't mean to give you the middle finger there, but it just went. Anyways, so yeah, a little stain there, but that's all right. We'll get that out. The next thing also has a stain, but it's in the inside, but you know me, I'm still gonna try and get it out. This is so cute. It's Urban Outfitters, and it's like this cute little crop top, and it has like yellow polka dots. It just, very cute. And it has a foundation stain in the inside, which is no big deal. Whoever owned this before probably put it on, took it off, and just rubbed the makeup in the inside, but that's an easy fix. Next thing I found was a Anthropologie Akimi and Kin. That's what the tag looks like. This is so adorable. Look at that. That's so cute. But further inspection when I got home, actually found some stains. Again, these look like foundation stains or coffee stains. I don't know if you can see, the lighting's pretty bright here, but on the edge of the sleeve, it's just some marks, which actually, yeah, that definitely makes me realize I think it's coffee stains because it's on the end of the sleeve. That's happened to me quite a lot. All right, so the next 4 items, these are things that I'm keeping for myself. The first is this Zara. This is like a newer Zara. This is what the new Zara tag looks like. And my sister keeps calling me. Sorry. Let me put my phone on the ground. All right. And it's actually like this ribbed off the shoulder sweater. I don't know. I really wanted one of these type of sweaters for a long time. So you can see the detail there. Oh, these aren't from the bins. I folded them and they actually ended up in this pile. This is a purchase I purchased off Poshmark. It's the brand Michi, which is like an athletic line, and it just looked like that. But yeah, this is a Poshmark purchase. I don't know how that got in there. Whoops. That's all right. So this is a Vince sweater. This is like the older Vince label. And I decided to keep this because it's the end of season. I don't want to list it now since it's the end of the season, but it's like a cashmere blend and it's also lamb leather trim. So I feel like if I list it now, it would sit, or it won't get as much as what I want for it. So I'll get a couple wears out of it before spring, and I'll sell it next year. And then the final thing that I found that I'm keeping for myself is this top, which is by Something Navy. This brand seriously has like the cutest clothes ever. It doesn't retail for like a whole lot, but that's what the tag looks like. They sell it at like Nordstrom Rack, and I live so close to Nordstrom Rack that I'm there all the time, but I own a couple pieces by this brand. I love it. And this top has like the square neckline, which is super trendy right now, and the shoulder detail, like the puff shoulder. So I feel like this top tucked into some high-waisted jeans for the spring will look so cool. So that's for me. Now onto the good stuff that I'm selling that's not stained up. The first is this Current Elliott top. And it's just a basic like striped top, nothing fancy, but basics do pretty well on Posh, especially with bundles. I'm gonna actually put this in its own pile. My dog's barking, sorry. All right, next is Abercrombie & Fitch jeans. I don't always pick up Abercrombie, but if it's at the bins and they're like a newer style, I'll pick it up. So these are the boyfriend jeans, and they have like a side stripe, distressing, and the frayed hem. And in the springtime, I think these will be really cute. Oh, and they're a size 8. I keep forgetting to say the sizes. The current Elliot, I believe, is a medium. Next up, we have a Saks Fifth Ave. I know cold shoulder is like going out, and some people don't pick it up anymore, but I still do. I don't know. I really like this. It's like this waffle knit, and then it has like all this like raw fray hem at the bottom. I think this will be cute in the spring. I always pick up these bralettes, and I have so many that I haven't listed yet, so I'm going to list them this week in like big huge bundles. Like I have so many of them. This one's from Aerie. It's a size small, but I have like Victoria's Secret, Aerie, like all the brands of the bralettes, so I don't know if I'm waiting until I have like 30 of them to finally list them. This is a vintage Diane von Furstenberg. It's just this cute printed like silky top. And I thought that would be cute, like tucked in to your jeans in the spring. Next item, this was my favorite find from yesterday. It is a Wilfred size 00, and oh my god, look how cute these pants are. They're like the high waist, like paper bag style. The color, this is so gorgeous. If these were my size, I would definitely keep them. The back looks like that, so these will be listed. My dog is just gonna keep barking throughout the whole video, so I'm sorry. All right, next is a Fila sweatshirt. This is a size 3X, and you guys know I love selling plus size stuff. And it's just a big logo sweatshirt. Next up is Altered State. I still pick this up only if it's from the bins. And it's just this cute little sweater. Next up, we got another Vince, which is weird. I don't really find Vince that often anymore. I used to find it so much. And it's like these little just stretchy skinny pants, and they're size extra small. These were my second favorite find, and they are made well. They are a size, what are they, 29, and they're the skinny. So just some skinny jeans, nothing fancy. Next up are current Elliot jeans, which I know some of you guys don't pick up anymore. I wouldn't pick these up at a regular thrift store. They tend to sit for a while, but they're size 27. And I don't know, like I know printed denim doesn't do the best, but I couldn't say no to these at the bins. I just think they're so adorable. They have like this bohemian print on them, and I just couldn't say no. Next up is another example of what I talked about earlier with Old Navy. It's a size XXL, and this is in like pristine condition. It has lemons printed on it, and then it has like these little ties on the end of the sleeves. So I thought this would be cute for spring. Next up is a Moon River little cold shoulder again. Got lots of cold shoulder tops, but this is cute. I really like this for the spring. I don't know what it is, but I love the color yellow in the spring. All right, we got some American Eagle high-rise shorty, size 12 in black. I picked these up, and they have like the little, where are you? The crochet detail in the pocket, so like it peeks through with the distress. So I love selling American Eagle. If I haven't said that in every single one of my videos already. All right, this won't bring a lot of money, but I don't care. It's just a crop top. It's by Truly Madly Deeply, which is Urban Outfitters. Size small, but it has like the little yin yang koi fish I just thought that was cool. Next up is another top by Urban Outfitters. And this is like a really silky type of top. It has like a crisp back. It's really hard to show like on here, but it has like the little ruche detail and you get the point. Next up is like a graphic tank, and this one is a size extra large, I believe. And it's just the Who. And then the back has like the distress detailing. So I thought that was cute for the summer. So this dress that I picked up, if you guys saw in my Instagram post, I know a lot of you really liked it. It's so cute. It's by this brand called Who I Am, which I've never heard of before. It's marked as a size 8, but I did some research and this is actually an Australian brand, so I'm pretty sure the sizing is not an 8. It doesn't look like an 8. It looks more like a 2-4. I haven't tried it on yet, but I'll probably try it on just to be sure. But this is what it looks like. It's red, laced. This dress is seriously like so gorgeous. I love this. It's a little too small for me, but somebody will love it. Next up is my good friend, J. Jill. Y'all know I love selling J. Jill. This is a size extra large and it has so much going for it. It's size extra large. It is the embroidered sleeveless knit dress and it has all of this embroidery all over it. This is going to be great on eBay. I'll probably list this for around $40 and it'll probably sell for $30. Alright, we have a Zara basic blazer, size large. This was actually the first thing that I found there. And it just looks like that. It's like this tan color. It has one button in the front. It does have a little flaw that I saw, and I think that's why whoever found it put it back. Because it was in someone's throwback pile. But you can barely see it. Like this little tiny hole right at the end, but that's alright. And oh crap. I missed another, there's like two little holes in the lining, but that's okay. It'll still sell, even 25. We'll see. Alright. Next item is a plus size item. It is the limited collection. It's a size 2X. Which I always mention, if I find anything plus size that's cute, I will pick it up at the bins. Look at those little bell sleeves. Sweater. It's not like a heavy sweater, so I feel like for like the spring transition, this will do pretty good. Alright, I'm just taking out a pile here. This is Lord & Taylor, size extra small. It's just this cute like window pane bell sleeve blouse. This is J. Crew, and it's just like a tunic top. Like this detailing. I really don't know why I picked this up, honestly. I feel like this will probably sit for a long time, not really do so decent, but you know what happens when you're at the bins? Cheap, you let cheap get in your head. This is a left of center Anthropologie. It's just a basic white top, but it has like the raw hem. And some of these basics, like I said, they do good in bundles, so it's all good. How many more? Alright, I got 3 more items left. Like I said, not a huge haul by any means, but it'll last me about 2 days to list all this. This is a Lou & Grey, size large, and it's like a striped maxi dress. So this is really cute, actually. Like, if I was not 5 foot tall, I would probably wear maxi dresses all the time, but being short sucks. You can't wear maxis, but someone will wear that. The only men's item that I bought, so I know I've talked about it on Instagram, but not much on here. I've been selling men's items more, only if I find them in the bins. I won't pay full price for men's because it's still a new category for me that I'm just like dipping around. But these are J. Crew Mercantile Flex jeans. They are a size 33, 32, which is a great size. And yeah, just basic J. Crew jeans with some distressing. I'll list these on eBay. And then the last and final piece, I've sold this, I think, twice already. It's a, how do you say that? Eloise, I think it's Eloise by Anthropologie, the little E. This is just a cute waffle knit, laced, swing, tunic, whatever. So that was everything that I got yesterday. Like I said, oh my God, my shirt. I love this shirt, by the way. It's actually, well, it is a shirt, but on me, it's a dress. So this spring, I'm going to be like wearing this all the time as a dress. And I got it at like this old thrift store that I don't really go to that often, but when I do, I find like the best vintage stuff ever. The best vintage stuff ever. It's like a little like hole in the wall thrift store. It's like my little secret. And I found this shirt. It's like a tie-dyed and it is vintage. It's from like, I think 1996, Harley Davidson. And I think I paid $3 for it. So yeah, I love it. Anywho, that's like not anywhere near what I'm talking about here with the haul. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like hauls, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more thrift reseller related content. And I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. If you're watching this, well, it's Friday, but I probably won't get this up until Sunday. So yeah, have a great week.